Blowing your account after trading in a direction that the market was moving, that hurts to the core. If you've never experienced this, you will if you choose to ignore this message. Most traders don't blow their account because their analysis was wrong. It's because their volume was wrong. Over leveraging, trading too heavy for your account size, because you want to grow your account fast, that is the silent killer. And that's why so many people can lose while trading in the right direction of the flow of the market. And you guys already know, one big move on the US 30 or the NASDAQ 100 and poof, there goes your account. Game over. All that hard work gone. So your first job in trading is not hitting home runs. It's survival. Simply protecting your capital. That's your defense. So let's forget about all of my strategies for a second. You guys know them. LCS, TPES, SIT, SMS. Let's forget about all of those for a second. Without a rock solid defense, you don't get to stay in the game long enough to actually win. Money management isn't boring, it's your lifeline. So if you think ramping up your volume randomly is going to grow your account faster, that's like sprinting towards a cliff blindfolded, in the dark. True growth, it comes from consistent, disciplined execution at the right volume. It's not about maxing out your volume when you plan to scalp on the US 30 and the NASDAQ 100. Your size needs to let you breathe, sleep, and trade tomorrow, no matter what the market throws at you. And this is exactly why on my last post on how to scale a small account, we talk about this aspect of not over leveraging. That's the defensive side of trading. Scaling isn't about recklessness. It's about controlled, incremental account building. But here's the raw truth. All the scaling plans in the world means nothing if you lack the discipline to control your leverage and stick to your exit rules. You can know how to trade, you can even know how to scale. But without the defensive discipline to execute it safely, it's just theory. Execution is everything. So if this hit home for you, please share this with someone who could benefit from this video. And if you missed my last video on how to scale your account, a small account at that, make sure you watch it. So make sure you guys remember, master your size, master your discipline, then scale. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace and blessings, everyone.